Most businesses are asking the wrong question. They ask, are we ranking on Google? That still matters. But in the age of AI search, there's a new question that may matter even more. How do we get found in ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, and other AI-powered discovery tools? Because the way people find companies is changing. A buyer may not type a keyword into Google and scroll through 10 blue links. They may ask an AI tool a direct question. Who are the best firms for this problem? Which companies specialize in this service? What brands are trusted in this category? Who should I consider? And when that happens, the answer may not look like a traditional search results page. It may be a summary. It may be a short list. It may mention 3 companies and ignore everyone else. That creates a major visibility problem. Your company can have a website. Your company can have experience. Your company can have real customers. Your company can even rank for its own name. But if AI systems cannot clearly understand what your company does, what category you belong in, and why you are credible, you may not appear in the answer. This is why AI search visibility is not just traditional SEO with a new label. Traditional SEO is often focused on getting web pages to rank. AI search visibility is about getting your company recognized, understood, verified, and retrieved when people ask important questions. So how do you improve your chances of getting found in ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and other AI-powered tools? There are 4 major ideas to understand. The first is entity clarity. An entity is simply a recognizable thing. A company, a person, a product, a service, a location, a publication, a topic. For AI systems to understand your company, the web needs to answer basic questions clearly and consistently. What is the company called? What does it do? Who does it serve? Where is it located? Who leads it? What topics is it connected to? What makes it credible? This sounds simple, but many businesses fail here. Their homepage uses vague marketing language. Their About page does not clearly explain the company. Their service pages are thin. Their directory profiles are inconsistent. Their media mentions describe them in different ways. Their leadership information is hard to find. The result is confusion. AI systems do not need poetic branding. They need clarity. If you want to be found in AI search, your company has to be easy to identify. The second idea is topical association. It is not enough for AI to know your company name. It needs to understand what subjects your company should be connected with. For example, a financial advisory firm may want to be connected with retirement income, estate planning coordination, high net worth planning, or tax-efficient withdrawal strategies. A cybersecurity company may want to be connected with ransomware defense, cloud security, compliance, and incident response. A PR and SEO agency may want to be connected with media authority, answer engine optimization, generative engine optimization, AI search visibility, and zero-click search. These associations do not happen by accident. They are built through your website content, your service pages, your educational guides, your press coverage, your author profiles, your interviews, and the way credible sources describe your company online. The more consistent the association, the easier it is for AI systems to understand where your company fits. The third idea is third-party verification. This is where many companies misunderstand AI visibility. They assume that if they say something on their own website, that should be enough. But AI systems often rely on information from across the web. Your website matters, but so do credible outside signals. That can include media coverage, expert articles, interviews, podcasts, industry profiles, reviews, research, directory pages, citations, and other third-party references. The key is not just volume. The key is credibility and relevance. A thoughtful article in a respected publication can be more useful than dozens of weak mentions. An expert interview can be more useful than another generic blog post. Original research can be more useful than repeating the same basic advice every competitor has already published. If AI systems are trying to decide which companies belong in a category, they may look for confirmation beyond the company's own website. That is why third-party authority matters. Your website says who you are. The broader web helps confirm whether that identity is credible. The fourth idea is retrievability. This means AI systems need to be able to find and process the right information easily. A website can look beautiful to a human and still be confusing to a machine. Important information may be buried. Pages may use vague headings. Service descriptions may be too thin. The best guides may not be internally linked. Author bios may not explain expertise. Structured data may be missing. The site may not have clear FAQs. The content may not directly answer the questions real buyers are asking. If you want to get found in AI search, make the important information easy to retrieve. Use clear page titles. Use direct headings. Write service pages that explain what you do in plain language. Create educational content that answers real questions. Connect related pages internally. Use schema where appropriate. Make sure your company information is consistent across the site. And consider AI-readable resources such as LLMs.tx to point AI systems toward your most important pages. Now here is a practical checklist for any business. First, search for your company in AI tools. Ask, what does this company do? Ask, what is this company known for? Ask, who are the top companies in your category? Ask, what companies should a buyer consider for your service? Then look carefully at the answers. Are you mentioned? Are competitors mentioned instead? Is the description accurate? Is it vague? Is it outdated? Does the answer cite sources that actually support your authority? Second, review your own website. Can a visitor understand what you do within a few seconds? Do your service pages answer buyer questions? Do you have an about page that clearly explains the company? Do your guides show expertise? Do your pages use plain structured headings? Third, review your entity signals. Is your company name consistent? Are your descriptions consistent across profiles and publications? Are your leaders clearly connected to the brand? Are your core topics repeated in credible places across the web? Fourth, build proof beyond your own site. Earn media coverage. Publish expert articles. Create useful research. Appear in relevant industry sources. Build a footprint that helps AI systems verify that your company belongs in the conversation. And fifth, keep testing. AI visibility is not a one-time project. The answers can change. The sources can change. The competitors that appear can change. Your job is to make your company easier to understand, easier to verify, and easier to cite over time. That is the new reality of search. The old question was, are we ranking? The new question is, are we recognized by the systems that now shape discovery? Because AI cannot confidently recommend what it cannot understand. It cannot cite what it cannot find. And it cannot verify authority that has not been clearly established. So if you want to get found in ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and the next generation of AI search tools, start with the basics. Clarify who you are. Build topical authority. Earn third-party verification. Make your content easy to retrieve. Then test the answers and improve what the systems are missing. To learn more about AI search visibility, answer engine optimization, generative engine optimization, and zero-click authority, visit smartmoneymedia.org.